The Galaxy S22 Plus and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra have impressive zoom capabilities, making them ideal for moon photographers. The Galaxy 20 Ultra's space zoom brings you 100 times closer to distant heavenly bodies than the S22 Plus's zoom, but both are excellent in their own right. So today, join us as we discuss the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus 100 times zoom test versus Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. S22 Plus. The new 10 megapixel telephoto is now classified as 3 times optical zoom, which indicates that it is a significantly different system compared to the S series from the previous year.
I see.
In other words, the optical zoom has been increased by 3 times. Back then, the camera possessed an optical zoom lens with 1.1 times magnification, in addition to all the other zooming capabilities. You'll be happy to see that the contrast, exposure, and clarity of the images produced by the S22 Plus are identical to those produced by the S22 Ultra when you snap a photo.
They may look the same.
In the same manner, when both the wide-angle and telephoto cameras of the phones are set to an optical zoom level of 3 times, the resulting images appear highly similar to one another and are difficult to differentiate. Both of these photographs are clear and correct in terms of the color, detail, and exposure. In addition to the optical 3 times zoom, the S22 Plus also has a digital zoom that may go up to 30 times. Even with a magnification of 30 times, the photos are surprisingly helpful, which is something that has to be acknowledged. Undoubtedly, there is a problem with softness, and it is abundantly evident that a significant number of the lines seem as if they are put in as using artificial intelligence. In spite of that, these shots may be used without any problems at all. The S22 Plus is not capable of 100 times zoom, but on the other hand, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is capable of reaching up to 100 times space zoom, resulting in a degree of clarity and detail that is far lower than the norm.
Great! Perfecto!
Case in point, when you use the S22 Ultra 10X, you will get results that are both appealing and consistent. And when you snap a photo outdoors, the color of the sky is accurate across the lens range. Also, the Note 20 Ultra also has a space zoom as we mentioned earlier, and we will get into that soon. But first, subscribe to our channel because we will bring to you more videos about Samsung smartphones. Note 20 Ultra. There are 3 cameras located on the back of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, one of which is a laser autofocus sensor. The camera setup consists of a 108 megapixel wide camera with an f1.8 aperture and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view and f22. The Note 20 Ultra relies on a genuine 5 times optical zoom to increase the image size as much as 50 times digital magnification may be achieved. The 20 times and 50 times images will seem hazy at best. The 100 times images will be an unrecognizable mess. We are discussing the Note 20 Ultra's 100 times zoom next, so continue watching. 100 times zoom. According to Samsung, for a powerful zoom that will deliver high-resolution photos, use space zoom on your Galaxy S25G. The cameras on both the Galaxy S25G and Galaxy S20 Plus 5G feature a super-resolution zoom for precise, sharp pictures that allow you to get detailed close-ups. On the other hand, the Galaxy S20 Ultra's 5G space zoom can focus on objects or people from even farther away. However, the Samsung Note S20 Ultra's 100 times zoom isn't quite as impressive in practice as it would first seem. Taking a decent picture at 100 times zoom is challenging, but you may get a better result at lower magnifications. Many people undoubtedly thought the 100 times zoom on the Note S20 Ultra was a wonderful feature when Samsung first began promoting it. However, the truth is quite different. So, I think it was simply a marketing gimmick. The optical zoom of the S20 Ultra tops out at 4 times. When you go over that, the picture quality starts to suffer. You should base your decision on something other than the assumption that the S22 Plus's camera is noticeably superior to the S20 Ultra, just because the S22 Plus is more recent. Go with whatever model best suits your needs. Anyway, if you are interested in another Samsung smartphone comparison video, then watch Samsung Fold 4 versus S22 Ultra. Camera, battery, and storage review.